What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lou Bar's Garage. I am Luis, and today we are going to be unboxing, reviewing, installing, and testing out the new Billetworkz hybrid shifter for the Honda Civic. I saw this thing and I was a little skeptical because of how it looked. Typically, I like more the light bulb type of shifter, and I've always used that. I saw this and I said, why not? Let's give it a try. Let's see if we even like it. We might be surprised. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. We're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna install it, and then we're gonna go on a test drive and see if we even like it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, guys, so right off the bat, I love the packaging. It's super simple, but yet it catches the eye. Love the two tabs on the side here, so we can go ahead and remove it easily just like that. And we got some foam pieces, so we'll remove that. We got a welcome to Billetworkz card. Gives you some information there if you want to check that out. And there is the shifter, guys. This thing is pretty big. Kind of reminds me of one of those Dr. Mario pills from back in the day if you played that game. Anyway, so here you are. It's white. I like the matte finish. It's really nice, really easy on the touch. Like my other shifter, it is a gloss finish, so it is a little more sticky, but I love the way that this feels, so my hand can just glide all over the shifter pretty easily. And they do have their logo around the collar of the shifter. There we go. Pretty nice. And it also comes with an adapter, so you can add that to your current shifter. It's gonna keep your knob on the shifter. Without further ado, let's go to the car and let's go ahead and install this and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so we are in the cabin of my Honda Civic, my 2023 Honda Civic Sport Touring, and I currently am using the Billetworkz light bulb shifter. It is gloss white. That's what it looks like right now, and it's not too bad. Like I said, I've always used this kind of shifter before, just that light bulb kind of shifter. I never really thought to get anything different. You know, I've seen people who have like the really tall, I guess I wouldn't call it a shifter knob. I guess I would call it more of a shifter handle, I suppose. This is what that looks like, and in comparison to this, again, this one has a matte finish and this one has a glossy finish. So even at the touch, it's a little more grippy, and this one just feels a lot nicer to the touch. It just really does. We're gonna go ahead and remove our old shifter and install our new one. As you can see, guys, it's gonna be a little bit taller than what the current one is right now. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Uninstall this guy. We'll set that aside for now. Okay, we'll go ahead and set that aside, and we're gonna use our new adapter here. Go ahead and thread it in. Here we go. And we'll just give it a nice little tighten there, not too much. And let's go ahead and install this guy. There we go. Okay. And there it is, guys. As you can tell, it definitely is significantly taller. So there it is right there in neutral. So as you can see, yeah, it definitely is a lot taller. So in comparison to my old shifter here, it is much taller. Right off the bat, guys, it does feel pretty nice. It's nice that you can grab the shifter with your whole hand versus like with the knob. I usually kind of use 3 fingers, just kind of pull it back and forth. But this, you can actually grab it pretty well. If we're kind of just going through the shifting here, you can kind of see how it works. But that feels really nice. It really does. I love that you can grab it to pull it up or to pull it down, or even with the palm of my hand, kind of push it up, and then with the fingers pulling it down. Yeah, I do got to get used to the height of it, because like I said, it is kind of high. What we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to go ahead and just drive around the block just to get a feel for it, see how it shifts, and see if we like it. right, we just went through all 6 gears. And we're coming up on a stop sign here. Yeah, it feels pretty good. It does feel thinner than my other shifter. The other shifter obviously is thicker. It does feel good on the hand. I really love just like the matte finish. It just feels really good. So we're pulling into a driveway here, or a park I should say, sorry. All right, guys, well, that's it. I gotta say, it'll definitely take me some time to get used to, but overall, guys, I love the feel. I love the matte finish. It feels nice. Also, what I love about this is when it comes to the elements, if it's really, really hot outside, the shifter doesn't get hot. Or if it's really, really cold, it doesn't stay cold either, which is something that I really love. I know that that's something that I used to have with the Cobb tuning shifters. They kind of work in the same way, but I did notice that when I did have just the regular shifter, it would get a little hot and it would feel a little cold during the winter time. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this adapts to the climates over time. And yeah, guys, well, there you have it. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and unboxing of this new Billetworkz hybrid shifter, and this is again for the Honda Civic. I do know that they make them for other models too, so if you are looking to try something new, or maybe you're looking to get a new shifter, I would highly recommend this shifter. It feels really nice. I like the height of it. Feels really good with the hands, feels good with the shifting, all that good stuff. So I do know that they make it in black and a couple other kind of psychedelic galaxy colors. So if you're into that, they do have those available for you. But other than that, guys, that's going to be it for this episode of Blue Bar's Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. We'll see you guys then, or we'll see you another time.